Welcome to Ashwin's Little Love channel. Today I am very happy to share my top best rangoli that I have created with 10 years love, practice and experience. Rangoli is not just an art of me. It is a very happiness, my meditation and my way of spreading positive energy. Every dot and every color in this rangoli tells a story of patience, creativity, and tradition. I have chosen bright and joyful colors because colors bring smiles, hope, and good vibes into our homes. Through this channel, I want to share my rangoli with experience, especially children and families, to show that art can be created with simple ideas and a big heart. Rangoli teaches us focus, calmness, and respect for our culture. Thank you for your supporting Ashwin's Little Love channel. Please like, share, and encourage us to keep spreading smiles through art. Thank you for watching. Please share your love and blessings for our little one. See you soon on Ashwin's Little Love channel.